To find HSA or FSA eligible items on Amazon, start by understanding what HSA and FSA mean. HSA stands for Health Savings Account and FSA stands for Flexible Spending Account, both of which allow you to set aside pre-tax dollars for medical expenses. First, go to Amazon and log into your account. Then, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page and type in the item you are looking for, such as first aid kit or blood pressure monitor. After you have searched for the item, click on the item to go to its product page. On the product page, scroll down to the product details section. In this section, look for the FSA or HSA eligibility information. Some items will explicitly state that they are FSA or HSA eligible, while others may have a tag that says FSA or HSA eligible. If you are still unsure, you can also check the seller's return policy and the item's description to see if it mentions FSA or HSA eligibility. Additionally, you can filter your search results by selecting the FSA or HSA eligible checkbox on the left side of the page. To do this, click on the search bar and type in your item. Then click on the search button. On the search results page, click on the FSA or HSA eligible checkbox under the filters section on the left side of the page. This will show you only the items that are eligible for FSA or HSA reimbursement. It is also important to keep your receipts and documentation for any FSA or HSA eligible items you purchase, as you may need to provide proof of eligibility when filing for reimbursement. By following these steps, you can easily find HSA or FSA eligible items on Amazon and take advantage of the tax benefits that these accounts provide. Remember to always check the product details and description to confirm eligibility. And keep your receipts and documentation for any eligible items you purchase.